In this video, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi continuously getting disconnected on Windows 11. So, the first thing you can do is to go ahead and restart your router and PC. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for 10 seconds. Restart your computer to refresh network settings. So click on the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen and then click on Restart. Another thing you can do is to go ahead and forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Open Settings and then click on Network and Internet from here and then head over into the Wi-Fi section. So once you're in here, click on Manage Known Network. So this is basically the Wi-Fi that I'm currently connected to. So let's head back into the Wi-Fi section and click on Manage Known Networks. So on the Manage Known Networks, you need to look for your current Wi-Fi connection, click on it, and then at the bottom right of that, you'll find the Forget button. So reconnect by selecting it from the Wi-Fi list and entering the password. Now lastly, what you can do is to go ahead and set network profile to private. So head back to Wi-Fi and then click on the Wi-Fi that you're currently connected to and then set this network profile to private. So that is how you can basically fix Wi-Fi continuously getting disconnected on Windows 11.